Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your deductible on your Geico homeowner insurance policy in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. Well, we're not going to waste too much time on this one. You know how we do it. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now, the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account. Now, remember, you can do that on the Geico website, or you could choose to log in on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on Policy Details. So go ahead and click on Policy Details and then select the coverage option. Next, you're going to select the coverage option that you want to change. So go ahead and select the specific coverage option and that you want to change, and then click Edit. Next, you're going to enter the new deductible amount and click Save Changes. And from there on, you can review and confirm the changes to your policy just to make sure that everything went through. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your deductible on your Geico homeowner insurance policy in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next